Tent review. Specifications. Brand name, Young 2. Material, synthetic fibers. Fabric, 201 polyester fiber. Structure, 1 bedroom. Style, outdoor. Layers, double. Building type, quick automatic opening. Pull material, fiberglass. Number of users, 3/4. Season, 4-season tent. Color, yellow. Hign-concerned chemical, none. Origin, mainland China. Type, automatic tent.
I don't think I can take this anymore. I might just break all the way heartache, 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 all the way
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more video. Check description below for product link.